I'm Samantha Rain, the development chef here at Henley Bridge, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to make your own cocoa butter colourings and some designs in the moulds. For more information about all the ingredients and equipment used, please see the description section. First, we need to mix up our desired colours. It's important that we always use a fat-soluble colouring powder, otherwise it just won't mix in. First, we need to start by melting our cocoa butter. You can do this in either the microwave or in a saucepan. Now we can take our desired colouring powder, add it inside and give it a good blend to make sure that it's well mixed in. This doesn't look like it has any visible lumps of powder left through it, but if yours does, just give it a little sieve. The next stage, we must temper this mixture. There are a couple of ways of doing it. We can mix this over ice, or we can put it into a piping bag and move it across the marble to cool it down quickly. We're looking for a working temperature of 30 to 31 degrees. There are some great inexpensive ways to make really beautiful designs. Let's start with the brush strokes. So I've got my mould, I've polished it, I've got all of my colours ready and tempered. What we're going to do, we're going to take our first colour, we're going to place some onto the silicone paper and we're going to work from there. We're going to use our brush to place some brush strokes into each of the mould. We're going to let that first colour set before we move on to any of the other colours. We're going to fill this mould and make it really fun and really vibrant. Sponges, another great tool to use. Taking one colour at a time, we're going to take some onto the greaseproof paper and we're going to blot it into our mould. We let that one colour dry, then we can go in with another colour if we want to. Toothbrushes are also really effective for creating some really fine detail. What we're going to do is add some of our cocoa butter onto our greaseproof paper, blot in our toothbrush, and using a knife, pull back the bristles to get the sprayed effect. Now that we've finished our designs, we need to just let the cocoa butter set up fully before we go in with our chocolate as to not blur our design. Finally, flood your mould with our tempered chocolate and leave to crystallise.